How to disable screen share protection on a Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off screen share protection on your Samsung phones so that when you share your screen, it'll show everything rather than blocking some items. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, all we need to do is open up the settings on our Android phone. I'm going to do that by swiping up, finding the settings, and opening the settings. Once in the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Developer Options. If you don't see this, that means you don't have it enabled. So go ahead, check the description. I'll have another tutorial showing you how to do that. Once you get into Developer Options, scroll down to a section labeled App. It's going to be pretty far down. As you can see, it's kind of near the bottom. But once we get to Apps, scroll down and you'll see Turn Off Screen Share Protections. You'll have a big blue button that makes it easier to find. And just go ahead and toggle that on. And then now we're good. We have turned off or disabled screen share protections. So you can close the settings and start sharing your screen and it will not hide anything. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.